Yeah, what's up, y'all? I sold my tires and bought these subs. They're B2 Rampages. 8s, there are 4 of them. I'm gonna paint the box soon. Probably this summer when I get closer to running drive. I'm gonna paint the box. So yeah, I might need to go take the tires off. Alright, y'all, first tires I'm mounted, getting ready to throw them back on. I wanna look at this seal real quick. Oh, that's pretty messed up. Freak. Look at it. Alright, I'm about to put this wheel on real quick. Alright, y'all, first tire down. 3 more to take off and put on. Alright, y'all, rear's on good. I'm gonna let it down. Boom. Look at it, we landing. Alright, y'all. The stocks are officially on. My God. This thing looks small. Especially with the cut floorboards. That's funny. Well, y'all, I gotta go sell them tires. I guess and rinse them off, but I'll see y'all in the next.